Hey there, guys. I am here. I need to land. Because this will be, how to catch, in Alpha Sapphire's Thundurus, and in Omega Ruby, which is the one I've got, it's either, and in the one I've got, it's either Tornadus or Landorus, I think. And you need to have a cast form in your team. As you can see, I've got my level 32 cast form. So let's go back. So you need to be a bit far. I'm in the Delta episode so far, so I finished the main game. You need to use the Eon Flute. And it's the Eon Flute, so you can fly up into the sky and Mega Evolve. So I'm not sure. I mean, I've had a Latios before. I'm not sure. And you can see that there is a massive black cloud, just off from. Is that Mount Chimney? Yeah, Mount Chimney. A massive black cloud just off from. And if you go next to it, Mount Chimney, you feel a presence behind the black clouds. A strong wind is blowing. Despite that, do you want to fly into the clouds? Yes. So you press yes, you fly into the clouds, and if you look at this. Oh, this is one of the secret ones. Look, Tornadus. Oh, I've got a Tornadus, this one. Yes, Tornadus is one of my favourite Pokemon. So anyway, it will use Dark Void. I've got an event Darkrai, so if you watched my last video on Reshiram, then you probably already know that. But I've got an event Darkrai, and Tornadus fell asleep, so you can see. And if you want to, you can do a feint attack, and Tornadus is fast asleep, so you'll do the feint attack. Please don't kill. Oh, I died. Okay, so you're not wanting a critical hit. So if that happens, turn off your DS, whatever you're playing it on. Turn it back on. And you go back into your Omega Ruby game. So I've got Pokemon Omega Ruby. Let's go back into the game. Come on. Okay, so it's opening again, and I will, so Tornadus, is pretty hard to catch. You kind of want, a not very strong Pokemon and a few, full restores, and not very strong to get him down so much, to get him down, a lot. So you're going to get him down a lot, and then you're going to use an Ultra Ball. I think I've got 6 or 7 Ultra Balls. I think 6 or 7, I can't remember. I think 6 or 7 might be enough to catch him. If you run out of Ultra Balls and don't have any type of Pokeball left, do what you did before. As you can see, I have gone back again and used the Eon Flute, the same as you did before. And with the cast form in your team, there will hopefully still be a black cloud. So let's just go up into the sky, and look, there's still a black cloud. So let's go. Yes, is it still a Tornadus or is it a Landorus this time? Yep, it's still. I think it varies on which game you've got. I think on Alpha Sapphire it's only Thundurus, whereas on Omega Ruby it could be Tornadus or the other one. What's it called again? Tornadus or Landorus. Okay, so here we go. And use feint attack, and if that gets someone to the red, then. If that gets someone to the red, then you're going to use an Ultra Ball. Oh, Tornadus fainted. Okay, so I will try it one more time, and I will see you and running. I know, my screen is so dirty. I wish I could just clean it or something. But anyway, I'm gonna start off. You can watch that if you want, but it's kind of boring if you already know what happens. Pokemon of Omega Ruby. Sound. Let's fly out Mega Evolve. I really like the Mega Evolution. Latios. And again, there is the Black Cloud. I'm just gonna click that because I am wanting first thing I run into. Come on. There. So I am wanting to quickly put my Castform as the first Pokemon and get a few restarts and everything. So I go here, Castform, switch with Darkrai. Okay. I'll just leave it. I've got a few of those. Wait, do I have some of those? Okay, I don't. Yeah, Ether, Zinc, Protein, Hyper Potion. I have 5 Hyper Potions, 3 Super Potions, an Antidote, an Energy Power, Full Heal, Heal Powder, Energy Root, PP Max, Max Potion, Ice Heal, Carbos, Rare Candy. I have 2 Rare Candies. Full Restore, Revive, Swift Wing, Fresh Water, Soda Pop, Max Revive, PP Up. I might have missed out a few, but doesn't really matter. So I'm going to save again. All of these kind of require you to go back and forth out of your game and into your game because it's really easy to what was it I was talking about? It's really easy to lose the chance to get Tornadus or whatever you get. Tornadus, Landorus or Thundurus. I should stop repeating these things. I should come up with something new to say. Tornadus. He looks the same as Thundurus, but he's a little bit different. Castform. Use Weather Ball. It's Agility. So he used Agility, Speed. Use Weather Ball. Whoa. It drops down on Tornadus. Harms him a tiny bit. You want to have a lot of PP things. He's going to keep using Agility, I think. But just keep using Weather Ball. I mean, you could do Sunny Day. Slash. It's probably going to kill Castform. Yeah, Castform fainted. You're going to have to really want, Latios is probably my weakest Pokemon, and also it's a support. I'm not gonna Mega Evolve, otherwise it will take down Tornadus so very quickly. Please don't kill Latios. Okay, Latios is Psychic. Oh, there we go. Okay, so bag, Pokeballs, Ultra. Yeah, I've got 8 Ultra Balls. Since I didn't use on Reshiram. I reset on Reshiram. Okay, so come on. Got 1. Got 1. 1. Don't kill. Oh, I died. Come I'm just going to use my level 100 Zygarde to take hits while I just Zygarde reversed all my Pokemon to bag Pokeball, Ultra Ball use. I'm going to keep using Ultra Ball until I catch Tornadus. 1, 2. Maybe it'll take 3. No. I think 8 will work. Yeah, my Zygarde's not going down anytime soon. Get another Ultra Ball. You can see it's only lost around 80 health out of its 378. Another Pokeball. So there's people outside. Why do they make so much noise? I mean, I can hear it through the window. Again. Come on, this video is getting too long. Anyway, guys, I don't think I'll be catching Tornadus. No, don't attack. I don't think I'll be catching Tornadus. I'll just use up all my Ultra Balls, and if I don't, I'll just reset and just go back to normal until I get stronger, and then I can use like False Swipe or something. That was a funny noise. Oh, I can't make it again. Let's keep going. I've only got 3 left. 1. Got 2 left. Come on. Probably have bought more Ultra Balls. Okay, so here's another one. Grab. One more. Okay, so guys, that was the end. I couldn't catch Tornadus, and I hope you have a wonderful day.